Hey guys, it's Lars Hauwert here and welcome to this video. So today I want to talk about a life hack that has helped me a lot to just be way more productive with my business. So let's get right into it. So if you don't know who I am yet, I'm Lars. I've built my own company to $9 million in sales, an e-com brand called Nancy Home Store. And now I'm helping others to essentially do the same thing. And today I'm in a beautiful Isla Saona and I wanted to talk to you about how to basically reset your mind after having worked for a very long time to actually relax, take a break so that you can come back stronger and basically make better decisions in your business, right? So I'm not talking about if you've worked for a couple of weeks straight and you feel a bit burnt out, like that's not at all the time to actually take a break and go on a vacation like this, right? I mean, when you've actually worked for the whole year, you've worked your ass off, you've done 80 hours, 100 hours a week, and basically you just feel that like you're done. Then what I highly recommend and what I did myself, what I'm literally doing right now myself, is to take a 1 to 2 week break where you basically reset your entire mind, your nervous system, so that basically you just come back way stronger after that. And during that vacation, you still want to write down new ideas, you still want to stay in touch with your team a bit here and there, but you don't let it basically, you don't let the work consume your holiday, right? You want to relax, take a break and basically reflect on what has been done the past year and what you plan on doing the coming year. So while I'm here in Dominican Republic, I've been really planning out the entire 2026 year for me basically, which has done me very well. In a couple days time, I'll go back home and I'll be completely refreshed and I'll be ready to go, right? So if you're basically struggling to get going, I don't recommend it because your time and your money is way better spent in your business, right? Invest it all back into your business. But once you're doing, I would say at least like 10K a month profit, then you should sort of start looking at those kinds of things as well, to sometimes take a bit of a step back. Before you do that, make sure that the most important tasks are covered by some teammates that can basically handle it for you while you're gone, so that basically the business doesn't collapse when you're taking a break, right? And what I recommend is to basically just fully let loose during those 1 to 2 weeks. You don't really watch your diet, you don't have to go to sleep exactly on the same time and get up at the same time. Just let yourself go loose a bit because you've deserved it, right? And also this means that when you come back, that you can be very strict on yourself again because you've just given yourself that reward, and you know that after you are gonna work hard again, you're gonna give yourself another reward after that, after half a year, 1 year time, right? So that's basically what I wanted to talk to you about today. If you basically have a problem to grow your e-commerce sales, feel free to check the link down in the description. I don't care if you click it or not, but it just talks a bit about how we help e-commerce stores to just grow like crazy, grow like there's no tomorrow, right? So feel free to check it out. I don't care if you click it or not. I just hope you got a lot of value and maybe some inspiration from this video. So thank you so much for your attention, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.